Oh, hey guys! I hope you guys enjoyed our office introductory video. We had a lot of fun making that. Our teachers are in the process of making their virtual open house videos. So the office staff, we wanted to join in on the fun. Again, thank you to the office ladies for helping us do that together. Hopefully you enjoyed that video as much as we had making it this last week. More importantly, want to get to a couple updates. Next Monday, upcoming Monday, August 24th. It's the first day of school. We cannot wait to see our students, to see our families. We're all very excited. Teachers have been working their tails off this week. We're all getting ready for that first day, which is Monday. Cannot wait to see our students, can't wait to see our families. But again, it's right around the corner. A couple of reminders before we get to Monday. Reminder that students and staff will be required to wear face coverings following the state mandated updates from our governor. Along with that, symptom checks. Parents, if you would help us out, check for fevers daily along with symptoms of illness. If your child is not feeling well or your child does have a fever, we do ask that you help us out by keeping them home so we keep your child, all children and staff safe as we start the school year. So we're very excited about all that. We have a couple more updates. We're going to throw over to the assistant principal, Mrs. Weiner, right now.
Thanks, Mr. Krogman. Couple more announcements we have for you. Our front doors will be opening on the elementary building at 7:30 this year. So students, if you're a parent drop-off, we will have those doors open at 7:30. You will be able to participate in breakfast and in the walking program. Another reminder, we are encouraging students to bring water bottles to hydrate throughout the day. We are unable, unfortunately, to have our drinking fountains turned on. So if you would like to bring a water bottle, you're more than welcome to, and we will have opportunities throughout the day so that you can fill those. A final reminder, we are going to have our virtual open house grade level videos posted to the Van Wert City Schools website and posted to Facebook. So make sure you're on the lookout for those. Our teachers and our staff have been working really hard to put those videos together for you, so we hope you enjoyed them. Back to you, Mr. Krogman.
As always, excellent job, Mrs. Weiner. Do have a couple more announcements to get to. First off, morning greetings. We will be waiting to greet you Monday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. Mr. Aaron will be out front, Mrs. Weiner, myself, maybe even Officer Wells will be out front. We'll be there greeting, waving, giving elbow bumps if you want. We're going to refrain from hugs or fist bumps and those types of things as much as possible. But trust us, we are there. We are excited to see you. If you do see us, come on up, give us an elbow bump. We'll be out front greeting, waving, smiling. We might have masks on. We'll still be there. We'll still be excited. So we look forward to seeing you on Monday as you enter the building. Along with that, students that are new to the building or first grade students, typically parents walk them in that first day or two. We're going to have adults waiting at the front entryway. They will take new students or students that are in first grade to where they need to be. Obviously, with not having an open house has made it a little bit more difficult. So we're making sure we have adults ready to get students to where they need to be safely and also to make sure they know where they need to go on a daily basis. So we'll have plenty of help with those students that first day of school. Couple more announcements. Going to swing it on back over to Mrs. Weiner right now.
Looking forward to seeing you on Monday, August 24th. Students, we're excited to see you. Can't wait for you to be here.
We'll see you then.